In this video, I try to prompt the design of the incredible curved tiny house with a courtyard with one of AI platform, and there is several design alternative with the amazing and interesting model of this AI generated. And as usual, I will show you about my opinion and my statement about this tiny home design with the incredible curved tiny house with the courtyard. Okay, let's watch. I'm very impressful with this curved incredible tiny house design with a courtyard because of the rooms are not only in the inside of this tiny home but also on the outside of this tiny home, so the user or the consumer can uh, embrace the indoor room and outdoor room at once. I mean, because of the design, which is maximizing the openings and transparent material on the wall, such as this this first design. I think it's very great with the uh, element, and I like this nature concept of this curved incredible tiny home because of in my opinion, this tiny home is merged between the nature and the building. So the nature and the building are in one vibes that which is we can impress for the surrounding neighborhood, which is the surrounding this tiny home is beautiful scenery. And we can see about the opening arrangement or building envelope arrangement, which is combined with the curve and opening. And this design, and now this design is very impressful because of, it just futuristic curve incredible tiny home with a courtyard, because of the envelopes are not only a massive material, but this design is exposed about the transparent material with the curve concept of envelopes. And it was amazing if this tiny home can be created on the real life. So anyway, this design inspiration give us a lot of design idea and design inspiration, that which is it would be an iconic tiny home, even it's just small home anyway. Then, and this design, it's a little bit simple than previous design, but it has a uniqueness about the curve arrangement of this tiny home on the canopy of the top of the courtyard. And the envelopes is about the curvy material with a wooden cladding panel, with a wooden cladding panel or wall panel, just like this. And we can see about the curvy openings right there. I think it's so impressive and amazing also. Then we can now see about this design. I like this design because of the courtyard is very large and very spacious vibes, in my opinion, because I'm personally like the house with the spacious courtyard or spacious terrace area, because we can take a relaxation and embrace the nature to we can enjoy about the environment, even if the small house, but we can very enjoy for the great scenery on the surrounding of this tiny home. Then this is about the sample of the interior, but it has no correlated with the previous design or the further design in this video, because this interior are only just one sample of this interior. But I like about the concept of this curvy interior on this tiny home, because of it show us about the curved glazing and curved sofas and curved cabinet right there. I think it give us a lot of inspiration about the interior. This is not only about the exterior, but this is very great inspiration that we can make it maybe. Okay, then I think it's so simple, iconic, then it's so impressful because of the shape or the envelopes of this tiny home is very uh, modern. I mean, it's very modern and industrial with the combination. Then I like about the transparent material on the front, and I like about the how to maximizing about the entrance area of or entrance design of this tiny home. Then I like about the surrounding courtyard on the wood plank deck over there. Then in this design, I like about this tiny home is like a tunnel. This tiny home is like a tunnel, and it was impressive and iconic. And I like about the courtyard also of this tiny home. And we can look for the entrance area. It's very space. It has a spacious entrance from the bottom until the top of the roof. This tiny home, from the left until the right side of this tiny home, it's fully transparent material. It's just a little bit frame or door or window frame over there, so we can enjoy from the inside to enjoy the surrounding scenery on the outside. Okay, and then this is about the interior concept design. I mean, it's just small tiny home or small but long tiny home, and I mean we can get the inspiration from this AI prompt. Then we can see about the organic shape of the openings, such as the curved window right there, and about the entrance area. Then about the curved sofa and small dining room and some cabinets over there. I think it's very impressive. Then this is the last example of the interior design of the curved incredible tiny home that we can see about the um, it's a little bit spacious room, I mean, because of the sofa seems like have a lot of space right there, and it's not usual tiny home because I mean it has a great layout and arrangement of this tiny home, and it has a fireplace area right there, and we can imagine about it. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and wait for my next video. Thank you.